The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Duval County in south-central Texas, northwestern Nueces County in south-central Texas, southeastern Webb County in south-central Texas, northwestern San Patricio County in south-central Texas, southeastern McMullen County in south-central Texas, Jim Wells County in south-central Texas, southern Live Oak County in south-central Texas, northwestern Kleberg County in south-central Texas, south-central B County in south-central Texas, until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:54 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles east of Seven Sisters to 7 miles northeast of Bruni, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alice, Mathis, San Diego, Benavides, Orange Grove, Lake City, San Patricio, Midway, Tanyan, San Jose, Sandia, West Sinton, Tecolote, Anaros, Argenta, Rancho de la Parida, Rosita, Lagardo, Alfred, South La Paloma, and Luntzer. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.